Hey guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can summarize a PDF in ChatGPT. So let's go to browser first. Right here, ChatGPT file extension extended. Click on the second link and add to Chrome. Add extension and you'll find it here. Go here, extension, and just pin it. Go back to ChatGPT now. Now you'll find here submit file, this option. Click on this. Now put submit any file like this. Open, and you can see here your file has been submitted, PDF file. Now you can comment here, summarize the PDF. Now it will be summarized like this. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.